The maple tree grows from tiny seeds. In my hand here is a maple helicopter, as is known, and the seed that is within it. And from those tiny seeds sprout mighty trees such as these. Eastern white pine, shown here, sprouts from seeds of the same size. You can see these ones here are almost 100 feet tall. They have probably been growing there for about 90 years. It seems to me that a lot of big things in nature, like trees, sprout from things that are very small. So that's what I got for you today, guys.